I'm going to show you how to create template pages in TD Snap so that if you want to create new pages for a user, you don't have to reinvent the wheel every time. So for me, what I like to do is keep on my new template pages and any pages that I create, keep this navigation the same on this side so they can always access these words no matter what page they're on. So to do that, first we're going to copy all of these. The first step is to click on the gear and pencil icon. Once you edit or enter the edit window, then you're going to click on this icon with the 2 check marks. That allows you to select multiple buttons at one time. So then you're going to go ahead and just start selecting the different buttons that you would like. And if this gets in your way, you could just hit the double down arrows and then go ahead and continue clicking. Once you have them all selected, you're going to hit copy. So then they're going to live on the clipboard until we're ready to paste them. Next step is to deselect this icon because we're going to go ahead and create our new page. So for now, we don't care where it's linked to. So you can click any of these buttons here on the home page. I'm going to hit not, and then I'm going to open up my window editing once again. Here, I'm going to click link to page. And this is where we're going to link to a new page that we're going to create right now. So I'm going to create this page. You can name it whatever you would like. I'm going to just use template. I do need to put a 3 at the end because I've got additional templates. If you want to change the symbol, you can, but right now it's not necessary. So I'm going to leave mine alone and hit create. Now I'm going to go to page. So I can go right to that page that I just created. You can see the name is at the top with the symbol, and we have all of these open buttons. I'm going to go ahead and click on my paste button, and you can see it brings over all of the buttons that I just selected, but they're in the wrong spots. But easy enough, I can just click and drag them across the screen, and I will know that they're ready to be replaced when you see the blank button snap back to where the pink button originally was, and that shows you that the buttons are being swapped. So go ahead and do that with all of your buttons. If they're not in the right spot, go ahead and move them to where you would like them to be. Oops. And then you're going to deselect your multiple button windows icon, and now your page is ready. So now, though, we need to take this page and show you how to create it as a new page wherever you would like it to live for your user. So I'm going to go ahead and click done because I'm going to do some navigation. For this example, I'm going to show you how to create new restaurant pages because my user would like different pages for when they go out to restaurants for each different restaurant. So in order to do that, I'm going to navigate to all word lists. Now this can be done for anything, anywhere. This is just one example that I am showing you. So keep that in mind. I'm going to also click on food and drink, eating out. You see I have 2 here already. I'm going to go ahead and create a 3rd right here. So I'm going to enter my edit window again, select the button, and then I'm going to name this button. We're going to do Duncan for this one. And then I can select the symbol, going into the web if I need to get the logo. Okay, and then we're going to click link to page. Link to copy of a page is what we're going to do this time because we're going to use that page that we just created, that template page, but we're going to make a copy of it so that the original remains the same. So click on link to copy of page. The first thing it's going to prompt you to do is search for the page that you want to copy. So the page we want to copy is the one we just created. So you're going to search for the page you just created, but you're not able to create it yet. You need to create a new name for it, for this copy. So I'm going to put Duncan because that's the one that we're trying to edit right now and hit create. So now it's created a copy of our template page and it's going to go to Duncan, which is our new page. To check to make sure it's correct, we just click on go to page and we can see that the title of Duncan is there. However, the symbol is not what I want it to be. So to fix that, it's easy enough. I just go to page, select the symbol, and then it pulls up that. If it doesn't pull it up, you can also do a search, but typically it will pull it up. Now you are all set to go ahead and create any words you might want in here. But before we're done, we do need to finish up some editing that we did earlier. So go ahead and click done, which takes you back into your navigation. Now I'm going to click back here and I'm just going to show you one thing. We left 2 actions on our button here. One was speaking and one was navigation. So if you click into your edit window again and you click on the button that we just created, you'll see if I scroll down here, it's not only going to link to that new Duncan page I just created, but it's also going to say Duncan when I click on it. Now, I may want that, I may not. If you don't, go ahead and click on that trash can and it will delete it for you, but you can also leave it there. The final thing we need to do is go ahead and go back to our home page where we linked the button originally, because we no longer need that to link to a template. So we're going to come back to not is the one I used. Whichever one you use, go ahead and select that one. But again, going into your edit window, you're going to hit select the button you used originally. And we're just going to delete this action. We're going to delete the link action. So go ahead and hit delete. Now, everything should be back where it was. You'll see the linking arrow is gone from the home page. And when I hit done and I touch not, it no longer links out to a page. But if I go back to where I did create my links,
Duncan,
you'll see that it takes me to my Duncan page. Now you'll see that this is completely blank when I am not in edit mode. It doesn't look like I have options to change anything. But remember, when you hit your gear and pencil, you are able to go in and edit any of these buttons to create whatever you would like. So I hope that was helpful. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments, and I thank you for watching.